Hi everyone, I have a quick destash. It's one package for $50 shipped. So I have this die, this stamp, this embossing folder. Let me show you. Okay. Washi tape, new one. Wood veneers. Another wood veneers. Craft tags. Wood veneer, stickers, Prima flowers, stamp by Waffle Flower, stickers, Prima flowers, stamp by Hero Arts, stamp and die Waffle Flower, inks, brand new. I have so many inks. Stickers, Prima flowers. It has 3 stamp set. One of them with dies. This one by what do you call it? By MFT, and it has all the dies. Finally, I found all the dies, but it's missing one image. I think one flower, but all the dies are complete. So here 3 sets. I think Flora and Fauna and RVL, but it's very well used because of my daughter. Okay. Then I have mentai paper, mini planner, a silicone mold, more inks, brand new. I have some die cut, Travel Certified die cut, and finally I have this stamp set and this stamp with the die. It's by Concord and Ninth, called Things. This one. Thank you. Okay, so you're getting really good deal. I think both of them are $50, you know, but you're getting this stamp set and this stamp and this stamp with the die. So this is a very good deal. Then, you know, some paper, some flowers, all these brand new inks, and this one. So it's $50 shipped. If you're interested, email me. Thanks. Bye.